Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to create this orangey pinkish cut crease with a little pop of golden eyeliner. So we're going to start with the lightest orange. This look we're going to be using all the oranges, the main oranges in this palette from lightest to darkest. So I'm going to start blending this color right above the crease simply because I want this to be a little bit blown out. And yeah, so we're gonna go back and forth and blend upwards. Okay, so for our crease I'm going to use the second darkest, as you can see right here, and pretty much throughout this whole tutorial we're gonna be using the same shape. We're gonna be blending each color in the same shape as before. So you can see me repeat the shape. It looks like kind of a cat eye. Essentially what you're doing here is creating an outline for where you're gonna cut your crease. When it comes to people like me who are new at cutting creases, that sounds so weird, but yeah, it is really hard to know where to cut your crease. Sometimes you could cut it too low and sometimes you could cut it too high. So this is what I do to help me guide myself as I go on. And because we are creating a really intense outline, you really want to go in with that clean brush and just blend out and brush out so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of color because I want this to be just a tiny bit more darker. And I'm going to concentrate this in the outer and the crease. So the outer corner and the crease is where I'm going to, put in more color. Take the third color, which is the third darkest, and the second to last color we're going to be using. So we're going to use this tapered brush, which is more precise and a little bit skinnier, just to keep this color right up in the crease. We don't want to take it anywhere else, so that's why we're doing swiper motions. And we're going to pretty much do the same steps as we've done before, so I'm just going to fast forward. So we're gonna go in with our two final colors. We're gonna mix these two together and we're gonna go up in the crease. Again, we're pretty much concentrating all the colors up in the crease because this is a cut crease look. And so we're just gonna repeat that. We're gonna go in with the R40 and we're gonna blend out the higher parts of this look just so everything looks blended. Okay, so for the fun part and also the hard part, it's really hard to explain what I'm doing right here, but I'm gonna try. So for my eye, on my eye, I do have two folds whenever I do look upwards on my lid. So I use the second fold because that is right up in my crease as a guide, and I'm also using where I blended as a guide too. So you can naturally just use that fold in your eyelids, or since you already did blend in the shape that you wanted, you can use that. So I'm also using the tape as a guideline for where I want this cut crease to end. The cut crease looks like a liner, so you want it to be where the eyeliner usually is. Okay, so for the lid color, I'll be using a metallic eyeshadow, and I find it better to apply it with my fingers, so that's what I'm doing right here. But then I'm gonna go in with a golden eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with concealer because you cannot just apply another eyeshadow on top of metallic, so that's why I'm using concealer. This I will just fast forward through because it is like a normal eyeliner. So for contouring slash bronzing, we're going to be using the e.l.f. contouring palette, and we're going to use the two colors that are for that, and we're just going to go in a 3 shape kind of thing. I'm pretty sure you all know what I'm talking about. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild color icon blush in Mellow Wine. And I really love this color because it's more peachy than like pink, so it really goes good with this eye look. And now we're going to be curling our eyelashes and applying some mascara to prepare for our lashes. So now we're just going to apply our false lashes, and I've definitely gotten better at applying these, but I still need to practice a bit more. But yeah, just take your time. It's a really hard thing to achieve in such a little bit of time. There's people who like spot on apply these eyelashes. It's crazy. But now we're just applying a little bit more of mascara to blend these two lashes in, and we're gonna apply mascara on our lower lashes too. Another tip is for you to apply any black eyeshadow on top of your liner so it doesn't smudge. It really locks in the liner on your waterline. So it's highlight time. So I'm going to be using this highlighter right here, and yes, the package is broken, but let's ignore that. And I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlight, crown of my Canopy. I hope I'm So yes, I'm gonna find it with this Teen Wolf DVD box simply because I did not have anything around, so don't judge. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Milani lipstick in Matte Beauty. I feel like this is such a perfect color, perfect nude for this look because we are one using oranges, and I just love oranges with nude lipsticks, and two because we do have a lot going on our eyes, so I feel like it balanced things out. So we are done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you recreate this at home. Anyways, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next. Bye.